In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on Aave future while talking about Aave cost conjecture for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to think about this and some other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Aave. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the particle value forecast and answer questions in the event that Aave is a wise venture or not. For what reason will Aave succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Aave value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is Aave and its to-date history. What is Aave? Aave started as ETH Lend in 2017 after it brought $16.2 million up in an underlying coin offering to make a decentralized distributed loaning stage. Afterward, they rebranded to Aave when they changed to a liquidity pool model. Aave sent off the Aave convention in 2020, an open source and non-custodial liquidity convention where clients can acquire interest on stores and get resources. Aave is a decentralized currency market convention where clients can loan and get cryptographic money across 20 distinct resources as guarantee. Aave presently offers acquiring and loaning for 22 unique ERC20 tokens including USDT, USDC, ETH, and Connection. Loan specialists can store any of these ERC20 tokens on Aave and procure interest on those assets. The premium banks acquire comes from the premium being paid by borrowers who are getting that ERC20 token. The convention has a local symbolic Aave, which is likewise an administration token that allows the local area to choose the course of the convention in an aggregate way. The moneylenders can procure revenue by giving liquidity to the market, while borrowers can acquire by collateralizing their cryptassets to take out credits from the liquidity pools. Aave value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its record-breaking high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of tremendous industry players into the situation, the horizon is cloudy and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally dangerous play and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and basic evaluation of each task. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. 2022-12-01. Plus 2.66% $57 96 2022 1202 0.09% $56 40 2022 1203 plus 0.21% $56 58 2022 1204 1.08% $55 85 2022 1205 2.83% $54 86 2022 1206 plus 2.92% $58 11 2022 1207 plus 0.09% $56 51 2022 1208 plus 0.70% $56 85 2022 1209 5.94% $53 10 2022 1210 4.10% $54.14 Aave value expectation 2022. High expansion and very hazardous full-scale circumstance pondered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inward crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls. We will most likely see a great deal of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip lower with every minor market quake. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds appropriately. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2022 deck. 9.98% $50.82 2023 Jan. 30.15% $39.44 2023 Feb. 31.42% $8.72 2023 Blemish. 24.64% $42.54 2023 April. 16.23% $47.29 2023 May. 8.67% $51.56 2023 June. 9.42% $51.14 2023 Jill. 6.86% $52.58 2023 All. Plus 0.72% $56.86 2023 Sep. Plus 7.44% $60.65 2023 Ah. Plus 10.14% $62.18 2023 Na. Plus 17.60% $66.39 Aave value forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees Aave coming to $118.56 in 2025. What will Aave be worth in 5 years? The cost of Aave in 5 years could lie around $101.58, as per Captain Altcoins forecast model. Aave value forecast 2030 to 2040. What Aave will be worth in 2030? Our estimating model sees Aave coming to $296.39 in 2030. What Aave will be worth in 2040? Our gauging model sees Aave coming to $592.79 in 2040. Will Aave supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Aave won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Might Aave at any point reach $1,000? Indeed, Aave could reach $1,000 toward the finish of 2025. Is Aave worth purchasing? We are promoters of tolerably unsafe financial planning. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bin of large cap coins, and the rest in little tasks with enormous potential gain. Along these lines, in this unique situation, Aave merits purchasing. Is Aave a wise venture? Aave is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, a hazardous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Aave be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $33.20. In the long haul, it could leap to $296.39 or significantly higher. For what reason will Aave succeed and become more expensive? Aave has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and to that end our expectation model sees Aave ascending to $296.39 in 2030. For what reason will Aave fall flat and drop in cost? Crypto projects come up short because of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are: group denounces any and all authority and forsakes the task, controllers pronounce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more fruitful contenders, absence of very much planned showcasing methodology, losing local area support, likely weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development movement on the